So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in camera privacy settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that you have camera access turned on. Make sure that you have let apps access your camera also turned on. And you want to turn on let desktop apps access your camera as well. If you see the application that you want to use your camera for in this list, then you want to turn that on as well. For the next method, you want to make sure that your camera is enabled. You want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to expand cameras. You want to right click on your camera. Make sure it's been enabled. If it hasn't, it's going to tell you right here to enable your device. You also want to make sure that your camera drivers are up to date. So you want to right click on your camera and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. And you could also search for updated drivers on Windows Updates. Click on check for updates. Make sure that your Windows is up to date. See if that works. If you're using an external camera, then you want to unplug it and then plug it back in again. See if that works. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows and then hopefully this will fix your problem.